Hi, Brady. Are you gonna play with the video camera? You're like, yeah. Brady, don't climb me. It makes it very hard to videotape you. Okay, Brady, do you want to play Beep Beep Boom? Hey, you gonna stand up? You gonna stand up? Oh, don't fall. Okay, you want to play the bead game? Let's play the bead game. Here he goes. Wow. No. Like, I want to go after the video camera, though. You get the other hand? Get it with the other hand. Yay, Brady! Good job. And go the other way. You like the green one, huh? You can use both your hands, Brady. Oh, that made it go, didn't it? Should we play your other game? You want to play with the truck? Oh, good job. Good job, Brady. Brady, that's not how you play this game. Huh? Is that how you play this game? Ready to play another game? Okay, what game are we going to play now? Beep, 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 boom! You want to fill up the truck? Let's fill up the truck. And dump the truck! Ready? What noise does it make when it gets emptied? Ready? Boom! Want to play again? Louis will go in the bead toy. Boom! Yeah. And put some more stuff in the truck. That doesn't go through the bead toy. In the truck. Are you gonna put the whole bead thing in the truck? The Weeble goes through the beads. Comes out the side. At the end of your playing. Say bye-bye, Brady. Bye-bye.